Hello everyone, I am Dr. Viresh Patge, consultant orthopedic surgeon at United Hospital, Jayanagar, Bangalore. One of the most common complaints or symptom with which the patient present to us in the OPD is the knee pain and different age groups. So I will be discussing on one of the most common causes of knee pain which we see in our OPD practice, that is osteoarthritis of the knee joint. So this is one of the most common cause of knee pain which we see in our OPD. So osteoarthritis of knee is basically wear and tear of the knee joint. Let me explain this to you with the bone model of the knee joint. So here is a bone model of a knee joint showing the thigh bone, which we call it as femur. This is the leg bone, which we call it as tibia. This blue color, what you can see, is the cartilage. This white structure is the meniscus. These are the ligaments. So the most important structures in the knee joint is this cartilage and the meniscus, which acts as a natural cushion between the bones, and they act as shock absorber. As we age, because of more wear and tear, this cartilage erodes and then the meniscus goes in for degenerative tear, causing arthritis. So it progresses from stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. So here I have another bone model showing the severe arthritis of the knee joint. So here you can see there is complete erosion of the cartilage. There are extra bone formation at the edge of the bone, which we call it as osteophytes. So here is the bone model showing the severe arthritis of the knee, where the bone is rubbing over the bone, causing severe pain in the knee joint. So coming to causes of osteoarthritis of the knee, first is the age. So usually it starts after the age of 45 and gradually increases, but nowadays we are seeing this condition even at younger age. So as we age, because of more wear and tear in the knee joint, we start to develop osteoarthritis of knee. Next is females are more commonly having osteoarthritis compared to the males, and those individuals who are overweight or obese tend to develop this osteoarthritis earlier compared to other age group. And sometimes it can be hereditary. If somebody in your family, parents, uncle, aunt, grandparents, if they have osteoarthritis, and then there are more chances that you may also develop osteoarthritis. And then sometimes it is more commonly seen in sports person like football player, long distance runners, where there is continuous load on the knee causing wear and tear, and they develop osteoarthritis. Next, coming to the symptoms of this condition, the most common complaint is pain. So pain can be around the knee or inner part of the knee, or the pain can be radiating down from the knee up to the ankle also. Sometimes they also present with pain as well as swelling of the knee. They also present with stiffness in the knee joint. They will also complain of sometimes creaking sound from the knee, which is usually seen in severe arthritis. Sometimes they also come with such a severe arthritis that the knee is completely deformed. They come to us with bowed knee or the knock knees. Coming to the diagnosis of this condition, all the patients who come to us in the OPD with the knee pain do a thorough physical examination of the knee, and then we may ask for a X-ray. So in X-ray we look for the signs of osteoarthritis. So in early stages of osteoarthritis, we see reduction in the joint space, then osteophytes. As the arthritis progresses, there will be no space between the joint space, and the bone will be rubbing on the bone, which we see in the severe arthritis. In some cases, if the X-ray is normal, we may advise for an MRI to rule out other causes of the knee pain. In some cases, we may also advise for blood test to rule out other inflammatory arthritis of knee like rheumatoid arthritis. Treatment of osteoarthritis depends on which stage of arthritis you present to us. If you present to us at a very early stages, this can be treated with physiotherapy, where we teach you muscle strengthening exercises to strengthen the muscles around the knee. Then we ask you to reduce your weight with the help of a dietitian who will plan a balanced diet to reduce your weight. Next, in the treatment aspect, we can also give intra-articular injections, where we give the medications inside the knee joint which will relieve your knee pain. There are also offloader braces available to offload a particular compartment of your knee and realign the knee so that you are relieved of your pain. So those patients who are younger and present to us in the early stages of the osteoarthritis, there are minimally invasive surgeries to treat early osteoarthritis like arthroscopy, alignment correction surgeries in the end for end stage arthritis, where the knee is completely damaged or completely arthritic, like in this bone model. There is no other go but to go ahead with joint replacement. So basically there is lot of fear among the general public about joint replacement, but in today's world with the modern technology and instruments, we have reached such a stage that this can be done without any complications and with excellent post-operative pain management. So here is a bone model showing total knee replacement of the knee. So here what we do is precision. We shave off the arthritic part of the bone from the thigh bone femur as well as from the tibia in the form of the shape of the component, and then we fix the component to the bone with the bone cement like this. And then there will be a component in the femur and the tibia and a plastic insert between the two components, and then there will be painless full range of movements of the knee and the patient is comfortable. But due to the fear of surgery in the general public, they avoid coming to the hospital and land up in severe deformity of the knee and unable to manage activities of their daily life. We here at United Hospitals have an excellent team of doctors. We have an excellent team of pain management team who take care of post-operative pain, an excellent team of intensivists to manage our patients after the surgery, and then we have a physiotherapy department to completely rehabilitate our patient after the surgery to make them walk comfortably. So for any of your complaints regarding the knee joint, you can consult me at United Hospitals, Jayanagar, Bangalore.